Hey Warriors, welcome back to Live Free TV. My name is Sarah, Live Free Warrior. We're going to do a fun breakdown of one of my favorite poses. You see me post this pose a lot on Instagram. It's called Astavakrasana. Astavakrasana. Don't worry about the pronunciation of it. In English, it roughly translates to 8-limb pose, and it's the different intrications of the body and where it goes. But anyway, any of that aside, this is something fun for you to try and challenge yourself at home. And stay tuned at the end of the video because I'll share with you why I've always connected with arm balances and why now might be an ideal time to start challenging your body in different ways. So to start, you're going to want to open up your hips a lot. We're going to do the left leg on this one. And I'll preface too, your sides are going to be different. So my right hip is usually more open than my left. So you start by keeping this foot flexed and you move it around a lot, okay? Then you can cradle it up. So I take the elbow of the other arm, bring it here. Do not feel like you have to do this in one day. This took me many years. You can also do this from a reclining position. You can do a traditional pigeon pose, but this starts to open up the left hip. That's all we're really looking for here. Then. You're gonna get comfortable with putting your shoulder underneath your knee, okay? So you may wanna round the spine a little bit here. You'll see I'm rounding my spine. And start to work the shoulder under. Again, a lot of it's in the core, remember. Again, this may take a lot of time. Your arm might start out here. That's okay, okay? With time, you might get the arm under a little bit further. The closer toward your shoulder, and the more you can keep it kind of glued in without using any other force, just your core, that's right, it's your core, the more useful and easy it's gonna be. When you have that in there, then you're gonna get comfortable with pressing your hands down towards the floor. Your hands are gonna be positioned around mid-thigh of the other leg that's on the ground, okay? And you'll press down, round your spine, engage the core, and then lift your butt away from the ground, okay? That's step one in this balance. Step two, you start to lift your right leg. That is core and your right glutes, the opposite leg glutes. That is the prep for the pose that we're actually going towards, Astavakrasana. To get into the full posture of Astavakrasana, there's a couple different ways. This is the one that I like to do it, and it's similar to the setup we just did. This time though, you're going to cross over your ankles. Okay, so you cross your ankles and plant the hands just like we did before. You lift your butt, okay? Then you're kind of hanging there. Then you're gonna wanna send your legs out towards the side. Keep squeezing your thighs together and then lean forward, trust your balance. And then extend your legs out as much as you can to the side. Yeah. And then it's like that, it's just super easy and you move on with your day. And you're like, yeah, I can do Astavakrasana. At the end of the day, they're just arm balances, but they can be pretty fun. Now, what I like to do about arm balances is it's empowering. You're gonna challenge yourself. You're going to humble yourself. I can't tell you how many times I've fallen from doing that pose, just trying to get into it. And it's what we need to do right now in these times and harder times is persevere, keep trying, stay strong in inner strength, and when we can, laugh a little bit. When I fall a lot in yoga, I try and find the laugh within it. It's not to take it not serious, but it's to let some of the stress go. So let's try it again on the other leg. We're gonna go straight into Astavakrasana without the other prep. So, and this is my more open leg. So, lift, under, plant, cross, lift the butt, and extend to the side. And then just chill. Like nothing's, just chill. Well, I hope this was helpful, and more than anything, fun. Gotta have some fun. My name is Sarah, Live Free Warrior. Follow me on Instagram at Live Free Warrior. Subscribe here to this channel, and if you want to see more breakdowns of different fun poses or things you can do en la casa, comment in below in the comment section, los comentarios abajo below. See you soon. I'm gonna catch my breath. Good cardio, by the way. It's totally normal. Peace, warriors.